You need to answer that. I think it's a telemarketer. Come over and grab it. What do you say? Shut up!
Oh my God.
We're crying again. Oh, terrible. You poor thing. Did you get a boo-boo? Do you need a diaper? Oh, I guess we're okay now. I love you too.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
And a cat. How about a dog? Coyote. Good job. Oh, thank you very much. Now, Corbell does a pretty cool sound. She can make the sound of a car alarm. Can you do that?
Oh, I love
Good girl, Corbell. All right, you. Are we having fun? Can you say your name? Corbell. Thank you. And let's do a rooster. Say cock-a-doodle-doo. How about a cat? How about a dog? Can you howl?
Oh,
Good
my
girl. Wow. Well, you're really showing off.
Boy.
Corbell. Wow, Corbell. All right, Corbell, can you do some coughing? And it's supposed to be a sore throat.
Oh.
Bye. Bye. Oh, you asshole. Well, she was very pretty. How are you? Oh, I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine, really. How are you?
Pretty bird.
Yes, you are a very pretty bird. But let's.
Give me a big kiss. All right, give me a big kiss on the lips. No. Bad breath. Yeah. No. Oh, Marty. Kiss me. I love you. I love you. Oh, Marty. Good boy. Good boy. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Bye-bye.
Iris, can you wave? Good girl. What about water? What sounds... Now can you do text message? What sounds text message? One more. Text message. Good girl. Name? What's your name? Can you tell him your name?
Iris?
Yeah.
back again. Hello?
Hello?
But all you want me to do is to preen you. But I have things to do. I can't just preen you all day. Just for 2 seconds? But you don't want just 2 seconds. You want like 5, 10, 20 minutes massage. Oh my goodness. Who can? Well, who can?
Is that what you are?
What you doing? What you doing?
I'm just talking to you.
What you doing?
That's what I'm talking. That's what I'm doing. Huh?
Hey, I love you. I love you. Thank you. What you doing? So relax. In a cage. In a cage. No. No. Reset. Reset. Beep.
No, luckily I didn't have anyone from my little DOS group with me, otherwise I would have been out of it.